Alright, here we go. It's the drill wrench. Synthetic rope. We're gonna pull up this golf cart. Wow, it's speeding pretty wild. Man, that golf cart's pretty heavy. It's like putting this trailer. Man, that golf cart is heavy, dude.
The battery weight.
Battery? What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I am blessed with Eric's present.
I know, right, man? How
With
nice
a black
is that?
Cubs. No more Cubs. What's with the Cubs shirt?
It's dirty.
You guys, today we're talking about a company. Where are they out of? Clackamas, Oregon, or something. Is it Clackamas? I know it's some weird name.
I just thought it was
like
Ohio
that.
for some reason. I don't know why.
No. Oh wow, it is Clackamas, Oregon.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you guys.
Very cool.
If this is actually a tool, but if you guys, WARN is the #1 winch manufacturer in the world, in my opinion. They just build really cool stuff. They're very innovative, and honestly, I mean, they're priced well, and they're just great winches. I've never had a problem with the WARN brand ever.
No, that's why they got such a good name. Is because most people have had great success with them.
Right.
So.
It's your premium brand, right? So a few years back, we talked about this before. This is the Drill Winch, and what do we know about it, Eric? What does it do, first of all?
What I like about this is it's portable. You know, as opposed to like on the front of like Jeeps, like your Jeep and stuff
Right.
like that. I love you can take this anywhere you want to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which is huge.
Yeah, and all you need is a drill. So, I mean, I do have another version of this with a rechargeable battery pack and an AC version. It's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
And
which we actually revealed.
It's called the pulls off.
We did that a while ago.
Yeah, and we did this too.
Yeah.
But this is a 750-pound capacity. But the cool thing about this one, you guys, is it has a synthetic rope. And I can't tell you how huge that is.
Why? What's the advantages?
Oh man, tons of stuff. Makes it lighter. This is a lot lighter than the steel cable one, but they also have the steel cable one. But just when you're holding it and reeling it in, you're not going to get those metal shards going through your skin or anything like that. And you know, I just think this synthetic rope is insane. It's just the strength capacity on it is insane. Obviously, they say 750 pounds. We pulled a golf cart up a trailer. It was a battery-powered golf cart. I don't know what something like that would weigh, but I'm pretty sure that's, I mean, I know it's over 500 pounds. We had a guy sitting on it that was 200 pounds.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you're looking at probably, that golf cart's probably capacity, if not more than capacity. Now, granted, you know, it did have wheels, but we were going uphill on an incline, pulling it up the trailer, right? Pretty cool, huh?
I think it's pretty cool. So it's what, 40 feet long?
40 feet long.
530 seconds diameter?
Right. So
That's
it's
pretty
relatively
cool.
thin for the weight capacity that it does. So another winch that I just installed you guys on our Jeep Wrangler is the Evo 10S, right?
That's the one that's right on the front, right?
Yeah,
Yes, that's nice. That's
we
nice.
did a bumper. We're going to talk about that bumper in a separate video, but I just wanted to put a winch in there, and it was just perfect. It's capable of 10,000 pounds. It is
That's
wireless.
Huge. That's
yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
You know?
So when you get stuck, obviously...
Well, 5 tons, that's huge. That's a lot.
Yeah, I mean, way more than a Jeep, but I mean, sometimes you need that because you got all this force. You know, you got to get over things, get out of mud sucking you in, quicksand, whatever.
Yeah,
Wow, that's
exactly.
weird. I wonder if they've ever had a video of a car sinking in quicksand.
Oh, they had to have, you know?
That's got to be the scariest feeling ever. You know?
That would be a bad day.
That would be a bad day. So, yeah, you guys. So, WARN is, it's a recovery gear, right? It's what all the professionals use when you have to go out and seriously, life depends on it. And I know you guys are saying, oh, life might not depend on it. Yeah, if you're out in the middle of, you know, the mountains, the woods, and, you know, darkness is falling and you're stuck and you need to get out, this is going to get you out. You're in a blizzard, you're off-road, you need to use your winch to pull out. This is going to get you out, right? There's a lot of stuff that they offer, a lot of different winch combos. I love the one on the Jeep because it's wireless. It's literally wireless. I can sit in the cab in the heat and pull this thing up. Obviously, I'd probably rather be outside looking and making sure that everything's, doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Well, but what's nice, you can do it from a safe distance away, too. So you can monitor everything and kind of be away from it, too.
Yeah. And another one last thing I wanted to note when we saw at SEMA is I don't know if were you at SEMA?
No.
Okay. Well, the cool thing they had at SEMA is those Subaru Outbacks or Subaru Crosstracks.
Yeah.
They have a winch bumper and a winch for them now because people have been lifting them and it turns into such a cool little car. Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
And Subaru is very safe for a small brand car, but they have a winch for it now. And WARN, like I said. Personally, life depends on it. This is the brand that I'm going with. There's plenty of other brands out there that are good, but I want the best. So that's why I'm going with WARN. So, what do you guys think? Comment below. Obviously, like I said, there's other brands out there, but I don't see people having problems with WARN. They've just built a reputation, man. American company that's just built a reputation to
matches that hat, which I actually like. It's a nice hat, dude.
Yep. What did I say? It was Carolina Hurricanes.
Yeah, Hurricanes.
Is it Carolina Hurricanes though?
Yeah, Carolina.
Oh, Carolina Hurricanes. Yeah. It's a cool hat. I don't usually wear sports hats. You guys, this was a cool hat that I saw.
I still see that as a sports hat though.
Dude, it's just got the Carolina Hurricanes logo.
Oh, on the back. Okay, I got you. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I was just shopping online and found it. Another thing about this thing right here, you guys, we're all over the place today, but you can use any type of drill, right? So obviously you want to use something with power, so you're going to be able to get it. But I think even with a lower power drill, before I have been able to wind things up because there's a lot of gearing reduction happening in there.
Now I'm just laughing because I'm thinking Carolina, Florida Panthers. I'm trying to think. I'm still on it.
Sports. I'm the worst with sports, you guys. When people come up to me and they're like, "Hey, how about those Bears? How about those Packers? Whatever." It's like, oh, I'm so embarrassed.
I don't watch hockey. No, I'm
yeah, exactly. No, I don't even know sport. I'm sorry. I just grew up not liking sports. I was like a computer geek. I like to be behind the computer, and I don't know sports. I apologize for that.
Apologize, man. To each his own, man.
Yeah. So, very cool stuff from WARN. Check it out. Click below. Comment, you guys. Come on, let's get the comments rolling. I want to know what you guys think about WARN. Peace.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.